Hey everyone and welcome to Inspired Foodies. Today's recipe will be another mocktail. This is pretty quick and simple. It should take no more than 3 minutes to make. So the ingredients you're going to need are some fresh mint, about 10 leaves, some extra mint on the right side you see in the bowl. It's for garnish. You'll need half a lime. You're going to need pineapple juice. Now the next two ingredients, these you can actually substitute to your liking. So the first thing here, I have sparkling water. In this recipe, you can use sparkling water or you can use club soda. And second, for the sweetener, I'm using Splenda, but you can also use sugar. And lastly, you need ice. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mixer and I'm going to put in the fresh mint and the Splenda, the sweetener. Now if you have a mortar and pestle, you're going to take a pestle and you're just going to grind it, the mint and the sugar. I'm going to do this for about 30 seconds. And if you can see, oh, it's pretty hard to see, but basically you're just grinding the mint and the sugar together. Because that's how they do it in a real mojito in the cocktail version, but we're doing a mocktail version, so this is like without the alcohol. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna squeeze our lime. In there. Next, we're going to add the pineapple juice. This is about half a can of pineapple juice. So half a can meaning it's about 3 fluid ounces, or if you're using metric system, it's about 90 milliliters. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add ice. And we're going to shake it up. So shake it for about 30 seconds. It's quite cold in here because of the ice. And this is stainless steel, so it's even 10 times colder. So we're going to take our mason jar, and we're going to go ahead and pour this out. There's always a little bit of juice left in there. The last few things we're going to do is we're going to add the sparkling water, or if you have club soda, add club soda. Fill it to the top. We're going to mix it so that it's nicely blended this way. I'm going to add another ice cube. Oops. And to top it all off, we're going to add the mint. And I'm going to give a little lime for garnish. And that is the pineapple mint mojito. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the bottom right of the video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If you have any suggestions, any recipes you want to see specifically that we can make, let us know in the comments. If you like mocktails in general, don't forget to check out our other mocktail video. It's called the Simply Fruit Punch Mocktail. You can find it in the channel. You can follow my mother on her other social media outlets such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. Thanks again for watching. See you next time, foodies.